Bulawayo Mayor David Coulthard has sounded a stark warning that Zimbabwe is at risk of sliding into a failed state, citing alarming indicators that mirror the characteristics of a failed nation. In a recent statement, David Coulthard highlighted the definition of a failed state, which includes feeble and flawed institutions, crumbling infrastructure, faltering utility supplies, and deteriorating human development indicators such as infant mortality and literacy rates. Coulthard expressed concern that some of these indicators are already prevalent in Zimbabwe and urged citizens to be vigilant and take action to prevent the country from further descending into chaos. Quoted, "We all have an obligation to stem any drift towards this disastrous state of affairs." Coulthard emphasized stressing the need for collective responsibility in addressing the nation's challenges. The mayor's warning comes as Zimbabwe grapples with economic stagnation, political instability, and deteriorating social services, which have left many citizens struggling to access basic necessities like healthcare, education, and clean water. David Coulthard's call to action has resonated with many Zimbabweans who are increasingly frustrated with the government's inability to address the country's deepening crisis. As the nation teeters on the brink of collapse, Coulthard's warning serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for reform and collective action to prevent Zimbabwe from becoming a failed state.